Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a plan with me with a voiceover because I attempted, yes, attempted to use the Simply Gilded stickers. You guys know that those are kind of what I would say the least favorite part of the Simply Gilded box because I just feel like they don't work at all. And I was like, well, I'm going to give it a fair try, like really try and use them and put it together. There is like 40 minutes of footage here of me trying to get these to work. Ironically, the one that ended up working the best were these headers. The part that I probably hate the most in all of these stickers was the like date cover headers, and I was like, why would you have those in there? Most places already have them, and those were pretty much the stickers that worked the best for me. So I guess my tune is gonna change for those because that's really the ones that worked. I didn't have any trackers, so I went and pulled some from some of the older stickers I made, and I tried to work with it. I promise y'all, I tried. I gave it a really, really good effort. And I found out the boxes aren't even the size of the Erin Condren. So right there, you can see me moving it like, oh shit moment. At least I centered it. At least I got it together. And then I write with the pen that came in the kit. I mean, it was terrible. It is not for the Erin Condren, that's for sure. That's for sure. And then I forgot there was the skinnies. So I was like, oh, you know what? I'm going to completely change this. So you're going to see me change this 3 times. Like literally 3 times. So we're going to just work our way through it. My head is in this as well a lot because I guess, yeah. See, 1, 2, 3. Because I was zoomed out because I really wanted to show you guys like the full image without cutting it off. So I thought it would be a really good idea just to slightly overlap them. But it wasn't terrible. It wasn't good because you can see the overlapping. So I'm indifferent with that. I think my 4th of July one came out way better. But y'all, this was a struggle. I don't know if it's because I just didn't have a kit, because my 4th of July one, I kind of struggled as well, but not as bad as this one. I really tried to incorporate the stickers that came with the kit, and it was so hard. I feel like I really tried. You can see I'm writing a little bit better, even though I'm out of frame, you know. Yeah, it's a struggle. Yeah, again, I realize these aren't the size of the Erin Condren, which when I say the size of the Erin Condren, I know not everyone uses an Erin Condren, okay? But all the TN inserts pretty much standardize in the Erin Condren width and usually the height of the full boxes because that's kind of the standard in the planner community. So when I say the Erin Condren, I mean the dimensions of the planner. Does that make sense? Because I hope that's not taken the wrong way. But needless to say, I struggled. Oh, Lord, did I struggle. I filmed this last week, and I'm just now getting to doing the voiceover. It's Saturday night at like 10 o'clock. And I was like, well, I'm going to film a plan with me because I haven't uploaded one. Well, it's probably because I didn't want to upload this one. But I'm going to upload it anyway because I feel like in my Simply Gilded like monthly hauls things, like the, what are they called? Sub boxes, I'm always, I don't want to say dogging on the stickers, but I kind of am. But it's true. So, we're here. I actually love that sticky note. I couldn't get it to work with me in this. I tried really hard, erasing, putting it there, erasing. Yeah, the struggle was real. So keep in mind, we're about 5 minutes into the plan with me, but footage-wise has already been 40 minutes. Like, that's how fast forward like I did this one. So yeah, I got my ear pierced on Saturday. We had Mike's window tinting. We actually ended up canceling it. I finished the Halloween kit, and then surprise, Mike had people over. Mike went to the doctor's Thursday. I scheduled my test for Monday, and I passed. Yes, I'm so excited. Sorry if I screamed in your ear there. But yes, I finally passed my test, which I think you might have seen that vlog by now. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. So, yeah, don't mind my head. You see my head quite a bit in this one. Yeah. I'm struggling. So that's probably now 45 minutes to an hour worth of footage. And I did actually shut off the camera at some point, and then magically a bunch of things will appear. And I do talk to you real time when I actually filmed this, so that's not going to be 100% a voiceover. And that's when I kind of realized they weren't part, or like for the Erin Condren, because you can see that the boxes, you can see the line on the right side a lot more than the left side. Yeah, I tried to take that off. It didn't work. But the interesting thing is, when I tried to take it off, like the boxes, they came up really quick and really easy, which I guess is a good thing. But like the stickers don't stick very well. Like it just like literally just peels off. So it's almost like the backing isn't as sticky as you would expect. I don't know if that's going to make sense, how I'm trying to relay to that. So they are thicker because they're, you know, the, like, not printed stickers. Well, I mean, they are printed. I don't know what I'm trying to say. They're like the kind that you would buy from, like, Michael's, like, Happy Planner stickers. Does that... Yeah, because, like, they're not super, super, like, skinny. And they're not skinny, like, washi either. I mean, I tried. The effort was definitely here. And I feel like I keep apologizing that it just looks terrible. I mean, in the end, it's not the most disgusting thing in the world. I definitely have had worse. But I feel like I went back to, like, planning 101. Like, when you first started planning, you didn't know how to plan. That's literally how I felt with this. And I don't know if it's just because I'm used to a kit. I mean, kits you kind of rely on and you get used to it. So, I mean, there's definitely probably that factor. Maybe if you don't normally use kits, this would be an easier thing for you to do. And also, my planning has been lackluster lately. So, there's that aspect. Yeah, so I'm about to show you in real time here. So, I'm going to let you guys... you know, finish out the video with the voiceover. We're ending here. And then I'm actually going to come back to you at like real time. So I'm going to stop, play music for how long left over that the voice is, which I think is like literally a couple minutes. No, seconds. Yeah, I'm talking to the end of the voiceover. All right. I'll see you later, future me. Now get ready for present me for the plan with me. Yeah. Bye, guys. All right, so this is where I think I'm going to leave it because I can't really forcefully plan anymore. I did do quite a bit off camera, came back on camera. I just can't use this, and I can't use this in a way that is functional. I tried really hard, and I don't want to be a jerk, because they're beautiful, but they're just not functional. So ironically, I used the ones that I most complained about, why would they be there? Again, you don't need them. Like, the dates were on there, but I mean, they're cute. I did use the full boxes here, these three, and I used washi to add more full boxes to kind of create the 8 that you normally get, because you would have one over there. I tried laying the toucans down. They looked terrible. I mean, terrible. You would have seen it. You may think differently, but to me they looked terrible. They were really thick. It didn't work. I used 2 of these, I think. No, I used 1 of these because I didn't actually use one because they just don't work. I mean, these stickers to me are not good, and functionality wise and in the planner. They're not sized for the Erin Condren, which, you know, most of her, I think, planner people are Erin Condren, but even if they're TN, the Erin Condren width is also the standard. So this may be, height may be different, but width is pretty standard throughout the planner community. These ones were width-wise, these ones were not, these were not, the full boxes weren't, these were. So these ones were not. So I don't know. I don't know. I am indifferent. I know I don't like them, but I feel like if you had time and you were really creative, you probably could get them to work. I do think you could get them to work if you have a lot of stickers that aren't in the kit. I mean, you can see I added quite a few stickers. Bottom washi, obviously washi is gonna work. It's great. But overall, not for me at all. More power to you if you can work like this. I think I'm just, quote unquote, stuck in the way I plan. And this one looked way better, and it wasn't me forcefully trying to use stickers. It was, this is just washi, it's fine. But that is definitely a downgrade from that previous spread. Yeah, that's terrible to say, but that's kind of where I'm at. So, alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.